When it comes to making quick changes to proposal costs, ProPricer has many different methods for modifying your hours, units, and costs. But our what-if scenarios are a great way to perform real data analysis before submittal to see what changes can be the most beneficial. Similar to goal-seek in Excel, our target pricing what-if allows you to see a proposal's current cost information at any level you'd like, and then adjust those costs up or down. If we look at our current proposal, we can simply click a button to pull the proposal's total price. Right now it sits at just under $92 million. By copying our proposal, we ensure that we have our original baseline data to compare to and adjust. After running the what-if, we can run a comparison report to show the deltas between the two sets of data and verify that the changes did what we expected. Before we make any changes to any values, let's establish exactly what it is that we want to change and, just as importantly, what we want to avoid changing. In this case, we'll assume that our subcontractor costs have already been decided. We don't want any of our changes to impact our subcosts, so we can actually freeze that value. When we check this box, no changes we make anywhere else will have an impact on our frozen subcosts. We could choose to drill down to specific areas of the proposal by selecting a period of performance, specific cleanse, or individual resources. For this example, we'll try to get our total price as close to $90 million as possible without filtering any content out. Once we have our subcosts frozen, we simply type $90 million into the target price total column. ProPricer will look at all of the available inputs and decrease the proposal by the same factor, except for those frozen subcosts, to get as close to that $90 million as it can. In the background, ProPricer has tried to apply the same change everywhere in the proposal. Based on your proposal settings, you may get the exact value on the first try, or you may have to dial the price in. If you have no decimals allowed, for instance, ProPricer will only adjust in whole hours and dollars to get as close as it can. You can always run the target price again to make any additional adjustments. Once the change is made, we can then run our comparison report to see the difference between our two proposals. Our delta change should match the factor from our target pricing. This process can be run time and time again, factoring your costs up or down to hit whatever number you would like based on any set of criteria. Attempting to perform an action like this in Excel and trying to switch between your low-level inputs and top level of the proposal to perform these quick changes can be a nightmare. If you'd like to see any more of our time-saving tips, please check out ProPricer.com. Thanks for watching.